Hello friends, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, we will see how IdeaForge IPO have oversubscribed heavily on day 4th. So if we see today QIB have put their all power in this IPO, and because of heavy application, IPO got oversubscribed 106 times. So what are the chances for retailers to allocate this IPO? If we look at markets, then Nifty performed very well today. Nifty showed rally of 1.14% with 216 points. So, after initial gap up, market went sideways, and after that there was continuous uptrend. And we have seen new high, that is of 19,201.10. So Nifty is performing really very well. So in coming week we might see little bit consolidation at this price. So on the last day, that is day 4, IdeaForge IPO got heavily oversubscribed, and total subscription occurred 106.06 times. Qualified institutional buyers have subscribed maximally, and total subscription of 125.81. So roughly 126 times QIB have subscribed to this IPO. Non-institutional buyers have subscribed this IPO 80.58 times. And if we see at retailers end, then retail investors have subscribed to this IPO 85.20 times, while employees have subscribed this IPO 96.65 times, and finally 106.06 times total subscription occurred for this IPO. If we see day-wise subscription status, then we'll find that from day 1 only, this IPO has got oversubscribed. On day 1, this IPO got subscribed 3.74 times. On day 2, 13.36 times. On day 3, 50.38 times. And because of 29th June holiday, we got one more day for application. And on last day, 106.06 times subscription occurred for this IPO. On last day, QIB investors have subscribed this IPO heavily. So when we see this kind of data, when qualified institutional buyers apply for any IPO heavily, we can expect listing gain from this IPO, as well as we can expect long-term returns from this IPO after listing. If we look at grey market premium data, then we will find that on last day, grey market premium for IdeaForge got decreased. This might occur because there was pressure for grey market premium because of other IPOs which are getting listed. If we see anchor investment allocation for this IPO, then these are the anchor investors. If we see mutual fund scheme allocation for this IPO, then these are the mutual fund schemes. At present, only one bad news of this IPO for retailers is that as retailers have only kept 10% quota, so there are less shares of IPO getting allocated. So if we look at retailer end, out of 85 application, one application will get this IPO. At retailer end, as we have seen, there is huge competition. So if you are lucky, then you will get this IPO. So it's up to you whether you can enjoy capital gain or you can wait for long-term returns. So we will wait till listing date and see at what price this IPO get listed. Thank you.